Hi everybody. I decided to try to make a little screencast here of the work, just like intro of what I've done because I'm really tired and I didn't want to type. And I thought it would be helpful too, actually. So I just wanted to kind of show you here with my cursor on the screen what I did for my my sandbox. I have my home page right here. And as you can see, I put in a photo. This is for Italian 101 class. And here we have a nice photo, and we have information about the class title, weekly modules. I have the Getting Started week 1, and I developed the week 3 module. I skipped week 2. That's why it's not underlined and it's not a link. It doesn't exist yet. For quick links, I have right here support services, the Q&A discussion board, which I call Cafe Virtuale, and I'll show you that soon. I have my Zoom room office hours, and I have right here just like a photo, a way to contact me through the inbox and through the Zoom room, and then I have like a little really quick introduction to the course, which is captioned. On the left side here, I have announcements with an announcement written in, and I have modules. And the modules you're going to go through, and you're going to see that some of them I borrowed from Creative Commons, and like the formatting and some of the text actually for a lot of the Canvas-like stuff. But here you'll see I also put in a lot of like nice little photos and my own objectives and my own assignments, and I made sure to change the headings and keep regular paragraph or normal fonts, and use headers when I need them, and make sure that there's alt text on the photos. And what else did I want to show you in modules itself? As I mentioned, some of my modules are really like borrowed from Creative Commons, such as this time commitment one. I just changed the photo. Also in modules, I have a discussion board, which is the Cafe Virtuale, which I told you about. I have a presentation, like first week, for the students to present themselves. And in the content module, I have some input, such as pictures, vocabulary. I have a short lecture. I have a vocabulary quiz. I have listening input. I have a listening quiz. I have cultural input. I have a cultural discussion board. And then I have a couple of other assessments, which are a writing assignment and a self-assessment. So on the writing assignment, I have a rubric. And on the listening comprehension, I have feedback. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to stop. I don't want this to be too long for you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your feedback. I already know some things that I want to work on. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much. Bye.